Starting the workday, just like any other day. Drafting documents, checking emails, an inferior routine. Ransomware takes that very moment of negligence. One accidental click can start a fatal threat. The moment a file executes, data is encrypted instantly. Once it begins, responding is already too late. That is why a completely new defense system is required. RansomZERO detects ransomware behavior and blocks threats. It delivers instant alerts while simultaneously blocking risks. Suspicious files are downloaded only after safety verification. Beyond immediate detection of suspicious activities, it accurately identifies threats through powerful AI analysis, protecting your workflow while precisely blocking only the risks. It backs up files to a secure folder upon detection, ensuring perfect restoration to the pre-infection state. Access RansomZERO easily on NHN Cloud and Naver Cloud. A secure work environment without ransomware. RansomZERO completes it.